Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip's text-based editing tool. Log in with your account first. On the left side, click to upload a video or audio with human sound. Choose the original language. Click Transcribe. The text content will appear in seconds. Click the download button. You can save the text to your desktop directly. Select the text content you want to delete, and a semi-transparent layer will appear on the corresponding video content. Delete the text, and the video content will be deleted as well. You can easily find the word you want to delete by entering it in the search box. Clicking the eye icon can hide or show the deleted part. If you want to get the highlight video part with AI or delete filler words, click the scissors icon. You can also easily restore the deleted content by clicking the restore icon or the undo button. Preview the video. Once finished, download this video. If you want to edit it further, click the edit button. You can add this video to the editing page as separate clips or as a complete video. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.